Chapter 2. Raphael's Father and the Sharks, told by my uncle. Raphael was born in the village, my uncle said. His father was called Manuel, and he was a fisherman. His mother, Clara, is also dead now. She was the sister of my own wife, Rosa. Raphael was their only child. He was a fine boy, never ill, good-looking, healthy and strong. When he was about 8 years old, his father was killed. It was a terrible thing for the young boy. He was there and saw his father die. They were out in their boat, fishing with some other men from the village. I don't know what happened exactly. Something happened to the fishing nets. Perhaps they were caught under the boat. Manuel went into the water to do something with them. Suddenly, a shark attacked him. It was a complete surprise. The other fishermen could do nothing to help him. It was a big white shark. It came up from deep water and bit off one of Manuel's legs, a clean bite above the knee. The other men pulled him into the boat. The blood from his leg ran deep in the bottom of the boat. The men put a shirt round the top of his leg. They tried to stop the blood, but it was impossible. They say that Manuel was calm at first. He felt no pain. He smoked a cigarette, and he talked to little Raphael in the boat next to him. But after a few minutes he went very white. Then he began to feel very cold. The men covered him with their clothes to keep him warm, but he became very weak and sleepy. Suddenly he put his hand on Raphael's head. "Be a good son," he said. His voice was terribly tired. "Help your mother." Then he fell asleep, and in a few minutes his heart stopped. After that, Raphael and his mother, Clara, lived alone in their house at the end of the village. Manuel's brother, Ricardo, helped Clara with money. All the people in the village helped her. Manuel was a good man. We always help our people when they need it. In a few years, Raphael was older and started to work. He became a fisherman too. He and his mother were poor, but he could earn enough money for them both. Raphael was a fine boy. He became a good fisherman. But he always hated sharks because of what happened to his father. Every few months, he did something very strange. When anyone in the village killed an animal for meat, Raphael asked them for the skin and the stomach. He took the insides of the animal that nobody wanted. Then he went out in his boat alone, far from the land. There he threw the pieces of the animal into the sea and waited for the sharks to come. A shark can smell blood in the water when it is many kilometers away. Soon, a lot of sharks arrived in the water round his boat. Then Raphael took his fishing spear. He stood up in his boat and killed 1 or 2 of them. When he killed a shark, the other sharks tasted the blood. They began to bite and eat the shark. So then there was more blood in the water, and more sharks came. Raphael killed more and more. After an hour, he was almost too tired to stand. It was a really dangerous thing to do in a small boat. but he was smiling when he told me about it. He was really happy about the dead sharks, because a shark killed his father. So Raphael grew up, tall, strong, and good-looking. And, of course, he fell in love with Anita, the shopkeeper's daughter. So now, said my uncle, I have to tell you about Anita, too.